good afternoon everyone. Welcome back with me again. I'm here in Kuta now. Actually, I want to walk along the beach and to see sunset, but unfortunately, I arrived a bit late. But let's go and see the beach, guys. Still, we can see, I think, a little bit before it dark. And as you can see, this is the main road of Jalan Pantai Kuta, and right there is the Hard Rock Cafe, guys. So for you that would love to shop or want to visit the cafe, you may do so. Let's go to see the beach. The reason I come here because I want to see the situations at the beach, because last time I heard there was a bad erosion here at this spot. So I start my walk from this area, guys. So this is the Kuta beach in front of the Hard Rock Cafe. Look at this. The beach is clean, but yeah, as you can see, they need to put more sand, I think. And look at this here. It's so busy, not only international tourists, but a lot of local or domestic tourists as well. It's good to see that. At least, I mean, people still can enjoy this beach, guys. Okay, let's enjoy walking along the beach. And I think a lot of you have been to this beach before, because this beach is kind of like maybe the most famous beach in south area of Bali. But to be honest, yeah, I can say that the beach situations before was better compared to now, because as you see, like bad erosion. Maybe you know some of the guys here. They have the mini bar like this, or local bar, and they are teaching surfing, or you can just rent surfboard. There are a lot of them here. Maybe next time, if you want to say hello to your friend from one of the bar here, you can write down in my comment section. So next visit to this beach, I will try to meet them and say hello to them.
Coconut.
There are a lot of rocks down there, but this spot I like it because from this area down to the beach is not really like steep down, guys, compared than the situations before in front of the Hard Rock. But this area, I think, for my opinion, yeah, is much better. Wow, the wave I think is it's very big. Yeah? I hope the wave will not hit this footpath here, because otherwise most of the bars they need to remove their bin bags, chairs, and many things. That is Kuta Heritage Hotel. If you stay there, you can just cross the road and you will arrive at the beach, guys. But look at this here. Beside of this hotel is empty now. It was a lot of food court or food stations before, but as you can see now it's empty. Maybe another business will come, or another project will come soon. Okay, let's continue walking along the beach here. But as you can see here on the left or on the right side, there are a lot of food stations. If you want to have something light, I can say, like cup noodles or bakso, you can get it from here. So they don't only sell drinks, you can get some food as well. Wow, massage. Well, look at this spot here. It is a nice spot under the tree. What tree is this in English? Do you know what kind of tree is this? In Bali, we call it waru. What's this, gaharu or something? Oh no, not gaharu. I forgot the name of the tree in English. It's nice to see some people enjoying the drinks, get together with their friends. Wow, this corner is really busy. Hello. Drink? And still there are a lot of people do surfing. So is it a good wave maybe for surfing? And the last time I came in the morning to Legion Beach, there were a lot of people start to do surfing in the morning, guys. So for you that love surfing, what time is actually the best time to start here? Maybe you can give some suggestion for people that love to do some surfing, because I know there are some people love to study or to learn to do surfing.
And the side. Yalla, yalla, yalla. Yalla, yalla.
Yalla, yalla, yalla. What is yalla, yalla, yalla? So what do you think about this beach, guys? You think you like to come here, spend your time at this beach? Anyway, I've been also to few other beach in south area of Bali, especially close by from here to Legian Beach, to Double Six, and also Batu Belik Beach. All of them are very nice now. They have new footpath as well. If you want to do some exercise, you may do so. So you have a lot of options to go to the beach. Okay, so let's go to the main road and let's see the situations along Jalan Raya Kuta, guys. This is exactly in front of the Beachwalk Mall. But this time I will not enter the mall. I just want to walk along and let's see the situations from outside. Probably it is busy, guys, at this time because it is dinner time. A lot of people like to have their dinner at Beachwalk Mall. And last time I asked you why this mall is kind of like the most successful mall in Kuta area. So some of you say because of the atmosphere. I can say it is nice. The location I like it. I mean, it's just like in the center of Kuta. And sometimes if you're lucky, you get a good discount also from the branded stuff inside.